Hello everyone, this is Kritika and I welcome you all to the another episode of News 47 book review series. Today we are going to review I Have Never Been Unhappier by Shaheen Bhatt. This book is an autobiographical book by Shaheen Bhatt about her own experience with depression. Before we start our book review, I have a question to everybody watching this video. Do you have any such experience like depression, anxiety, mental illness? So just let us know in our comment box. If you want to talk, just put your question in our comment box. Anybody from our team will surely reply and will try to help you out. Now let's begin with the book review. I have made some point to keep it easy to understand. I'll tell you one by one all those points I have made. The first point. Shaheen Bhatt, the author, she has tried her best to make you all understand what depression looks like. Really, she has given a lot to this book. You'll get to know what depression is, what depression feels like, what depression can do to a person. Second point, she has acknowledged her privilege. This is so important to acknowledge your privilege, and I really appreciate that. She has acknowledged that she could have get any therapist to deal with the situation, any highly paid therapist. Third point is that this book feels like a journal of someone's personal diary, because I tell you, this book has some cuts of her own diary on every chapter's first page. This is quite different and attracting. Fourth point, Shaheen has tried her best to keep this book simple and easy to understand, and this book is written in very easy language so anybody can read this. Now, what I have learned from this book, one thing I'll tell you what I have learned, and that is so important. Depression can't be defined in a word or in a sentence. You can't define depression like this is depression, this is how depression looks like, this person is depressed. No, you can't define it like that. Depression is not like somebody is locking herself or himself in a room and crying so long in a dark room and behave so sad whole day. No, it's not like that. It's like somebody is working with you, having a good time with you, laughing, playing, but when they come home they feel so empty. They don't feel like they have anybody, even you guys with whom they spend a lot of time. This is what depression is actually. You always have a empty feeling inside your heart. You feel bad about feeling bad. It doesn't have a duration that this will end in a week or in a month. This can end in a week or a month, or this may can go for 6 months or a year. Most important point for everybody who feel like they have some anxiety issue, they have some kind of antisocial behavior inside them, yeah, this book will feel so relatable to you guys, and you might get some difficulty to read because you will start connecting everything with your own experience. And when you will end this book, you will be like, okay, fine, I have read a very beautiful book and have learned the art of sharing. I have learned that it's okay to talk about your mental health. It's okay to talk about your anxiety. It's okay if you feel alone. It's okay if you want to talk to somebody. It's okay if you have a diary and you write a lot in your diary. It is just okay if you're not feeling normal. Start talking about issues. Start talking about your problems. It's okay if you're not feeling mentally well. If you're not comfortable about sharing with your friend, family, or a colleague or a classmate, just write it down. Accept your illness, be it mental or physical. Start looking yourself as the main character of a movie. Like, really, this really helps. This is all about the book review. I have tried my best to keep it easy by making some points out of the book. I hope this worked. Now, don't forget the question I have asked. Please let us know about your experience and how you have ever helped anybody to get out of such situation. And for more such book reviews, keep watching our channel, and please like, share and subscribe if you haven't done. And keep reading and keep smiling.